ladies and gentlemen, today is Friday. I am heading back out of Edgewater for some walleye. It's a beautiful day out here. Sheesh, glass almost. It's just me, myself, and I running solo trip today, guys. Stay tuned. So here we go, guys. Thanks for watching, like always. Boom, baby, here we go. All right, guys, fish on, fish on. All right, guys, first walleye, nice one. Took me about 10 minutes. Flicker shad, it's 25, snap 2 ounce, back to 80. All right, guys, number 2, fish on, fish on. Another fish on, got a double. Come on, buddy. All right. All right, this is what's doing it. A flicker 9, I think. Fish on, guys. Nice. Number 4, guys. Just makes 15. Boom, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like it's gonna rain. I just saw the forecast. There's rain coming to Cleveland. I'm getting out of here. I got 5 keepers. Awesome. Boom. Thanks.